In this video, you will learn how to fix a Galaxy A13 that won't send text messages or SMS. Texting issues are among the most common issues you might encounter from time to time. In most cases, they're pretty minor and can easily be fixed. The first thing you need to do if you have this problem is to check the signal at the status bar. If your phone only has one bar of signal, then that might be the cause of the problem. We suggest you cut off all wireless communications in your phone for a few seconds. To do that, swipe down from the top of the screen and tap the airplane icon. After a few seconds, tap on it again to re-enable all wireless connections. Then try to see if you can now send text messages. If the problem continues, then the next thing you have to do is to refresh your phone's memory by rebooting it. It will also reload all services and apps. To do that, swipe down from the top of the screen twice to pull down the quick settings panel. Tap the power icon to pull up the power menu. Tap restart and confirm it. Wait until the reboot is finished and then try to see if the problem is fixed after that. Because if it still occurs, then the next thing you need to do is to reset the network settings of your phone. Doing so will refresh the connection of your phone to the tower. To do that, pull up the apps drawer and tap Settings. Scroll down and tap General Management. Tap Reset at the bottom of the screen and select Reset Network Settings. Tap the Reset Settings button and enter your security lock if prompted. Tap Reset to finally reset the network services in your phone. After that, try sending a text message to your own number to see if the problem is fixed. Most of the texting problems can be fixed by this procedure. However, if it continues to bug you, then call your service provider as the problem can be with your account or the network. Your provider should be able to help you with this issue. We hope that this troubleshooting guide can help you. Please support us by subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching.